I have graphed y equal tangent x here on the right hand side just so we see the normal shape of it. And the domain of tangent is negative pi over 2 up to pi over 2. So what we need to figure out is how long it takes tangent pi over 9x to make one cycle before it starts repeating itself. And the way you do that, you take pi over 9x and put it in between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2, the domain. Now clear your fractions by multiply everything by 18. I'm trying to get x in the middle. So I'm clearing my fractions. And that's going to be a negative 9 pi is less than 2 pi x is less than 9 pi. And now divide everything by 2 pi. And that's going to give me 9 pi over 2 pi less than x less than 9 pi over 2 pi. And those pi's cancel and you're left with 9 halves is less than x is less than 9 halves. So if I look at my graph, if this is negative 9 halves and this is 9 halves, I have asymptotes there. Still going to go through 0, so it looks like that. Of course, my graph doesn't, my choices do not look like that. So in between here and here is 9 halves. So another 9 halves plus a 9 halves is 18 over 2, which is 9. So that would be 9. And then 9 plus 9 halves is 18 over 2 plus 9 over 2. That's going to be 27 over 2. 27 over 2. Another asymptote and a graph there. And then 27 over 2 plus another 9 halves is 36 over 2, which is 18. And that's going to be half of it. And it's going to look like that. And then over here you'd have another one, and your graph would look like that. And if you look at your answers A, B, C, D, that is going to be answer D.